Alright guys, for a bit of context, my 3D printed bay Armonius advanced type was originally designed as an attack type called Arminius. I know for sure I won't be making a sparking version of Armonius, so instead I've remade Arminius as a sparking bay to be used on the channel soon. I've been working on a lot of 3D printing stuff lately, which is why I haven't recorded a video in 3 weeks. So yeah, that should be coming soon. If you guys enjoy, please like and subscribe. See you later, and enjoy.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Ooh, now I'm on the I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.